Very warm welcome to Table Mountain Cableway. Just a friendly reminder, ladies and gentlemen, if you can't stand away from the sides, let go of all the handrails. I will be rotating the floor for you. Thank you.
Rota al suelo.
Claro. Genial. Y una montaña. Vamos a tener tiempo de ir a la playa.
Come up here, there won't be so many cars out there.
But that's season time. There should be a couple. All night. We're running out of 7 o'clock.
What do you do if you don't wear a mask?
Well, that's a big problem. But that's it stays because they have to maintain scores and lines to maintain everything goes quiet, there's no doing the maintenance. So people are supposed to use well, it was actually a lot of that we don't really need to argue about. And we might as well do
They go to the States together.
Qué bueno, qué bueno.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, could I have your attention please? Thank you, Banky. This is very important to all of us. We all do that Table Mountain is a national park, and we would love you to respect the environment by not picking any flowers or chopping any rocks. Please do not feed the wild animals, stick to the demarcated pathways, it's for your safety, and do not wander off too far. There will be no smoking along pathways because of fire hazards, and it's a major source of litter. There is bins and toilets provided to you, ladies and gents, and most important of all, do not waste any water, it's very precious to Table Mountain. For all those smokers, there's a smoking area just below the restaurant, opposite the 12 Apostles. It's called The Terrace. So do yourselves a favor, ladies and gentlemen, do enjoy it, but don't destroy it. Thank you.